before anything beyond Adam. Hope so you're okay with that.
Abena, would you miss her? Sisi na radia ya aduma wa ye open amame no me pa cho. Ti ase na me nware o. Abena.
No.
Ti ase na be me wife.
Confion. Me de me number ma just for us to be friends. Me nya sure say you were thinking the time I was giving you my number. And I was thinking say see am I fine with you no and can be keep friendship. And Magu, I'm not the only woman on this earth. Why are you doing this?
Abena, one kasa na my wife. One kasa on your pa, erade I said that you are mommy. And yes, you are my wife. Bibi a chese o ye me yere.
E den na chere. Me you be foforo.
Ka wana me fan show ba na o ye my wife.
Me you be foforo here, me show be foforo kawa. Can't you see? Confion. So bet me and my friends there. I can keep on with this nice relationship we're having. But kasa about our real no, it can never happen. I'm a married woman and I'm respecting me so much. And I'm not ready to step out of my marriage. I'm begging you. I just wanted to get close. Say beya so be na di pictures coming I would have known because said Yamani CC and I was thinking say out of pressure you couldn't answer me or tell me the truth. And anything I know why you're fine. But still you are still standing at the same position. And it's not good. Well yes, our friend me I won't come again.
Oh dear. Abena, oh yeah my wife. Me nim say asem no. Nti ase be ya ode na ne kan be edin kakra ba me so. We ye dan a wa ne oba me no betina. We ye dan a wa ne oba me ware o. Nti no, o de me so koda na dwene ho ne bompaye. Ne hwe sa asem a me kan ye no kre.
Me sanko bompaye, me ko disturb nyankopon. Was good people. I have better things to ask God to do for me. Not this. Wait and come prayer topic and it can never be part of my prayer topic. I'm begging you. I beg you and I keep on begging you. And once again, thank you so much. For that I'm grateful. But let us be friends. Okay?
Oh dear, koda na dwene wo ye my wife.
Hey,
Atadwe.
Master Ria.
Oh, Master wo.
Yeah, Master.
Atadwe, oh Master way.
Master Kokurum.
Shit.
Wapi, nke bibia. Is there any problem if I should solve out for you, please?
You can't help me. What day?
I can't help you. Master. Mpacho Master. Ora na ro de bufu ni na mo. I get you so much.
Then you send them the ben ko.
Bra.
Yeah.
Unim say. Boy na wuchi ni tu mu.
Yeah.
E si Confion.
Me nim ni din.
Your friend is Confion that because sana mate say your friend is Confion.
Confion.
Yes.
Such a rascal name, man.
Unim say me hu wona we right. I even me video womo. I took a video of them.
I know say who jokey. I know say Sisi na obana fire from na ebia o tricks.
Bro, I am not joking. I am telling you the fact. Me say, makohu womo me video womo. O de say wo je mechinya re. Edeni, brother Edeni. We edeni. Hwan na gina won. Wo de ebia wo hu ni ye. Cheni ye hwan na gina won. Hwan mu na gina won.
Sis. That means say na bibi e wo hodom. Enu ntina na boy ne yesa. Because me ka say me chi boy ya na say me in police case ni. My wife na on insist say oh baby no. I should put a stop. And they say omo ye things.
Me say I think there is something going on between omo and you don't know. To say what na wona egu abonten. Bra, me hu ye no nanka me face you come call face you but I was like no, I didn't really me lie, me can't chiro because I will lie. To me catch no face it almost. So me chance I will face them.
No. Sister, my wife need me play game bia. Onim say sa game ho no me matra. I'm bad man. Say Now when him say easy. When him dem person your mommy. What they said, I pretend this to say the unim who say, let's send the video near the mommy because me have concrete evidence. Yeah.
Because my video now, mom. Now we say I do it in here. Yes. So evidence, clear evidence. You give it to her and no.
Really? Abena Louisa.
Oh, cheating on you. I yes simple. Oh, cheating on you.
Sam me kwa champagne me madam me na gu
cheating on you.
Huh?
I'm being honest with you. Oh, cheating on you.
Louisa me nya oye na kwa champagne me mbe fa humedi.
One guy no kwa na ye lie.
Yeah.
One in a year lie. So shut down but your nice and my wife.
My wife.
It's a lie, a bloody lie. Nimplano no.
What's that? Yeah, sometimes no. Me house help no. And you person or kabibi. So that say, oh say yeah, boss, but
I know move feel.
Huh?
The every guy no sneak out be feel. It's simple. It's simple.
Please don't forget just to send me the video. I wouldn't talk much here. Send me the video.
I will send it to you. If you want me to send it right now, mommy send him out. Mommy send him out to say, bra, very simple. Let me send it to you. Send it to you. Baby. Because you can't do that. Yeah, baby.
Daina! Bra, Obi Bodo. That's on the road. Who is this? I don't know. Hey, boss. Boss. Honey. Are you okay? Daina. We are selling before.
Madam, where is baby now?
Not media, some no why. Then I'm
Madam, with the Russian no coincidence.
Because we are so forward, Mama. I should keep you company. Honey,
Master temperature high. Says we are stressing with moon of the banners. Madam, enjoy your day.
Honey. What's wrong? Obi a show before. Obi a can be a one patch or what you want. Me don't so be you be na won be krana. I'm the right person to calm you down.
Abena ade be na me twa ma brabom. Ade be na wonim se me twa kra wo ma brabom. Ade be.
Ade a minim se wodwa ane se obi di asembesi o.
Very good.
It's why na di asembesi o what you want.
I'm gonna ask you this for the last time. Who is that guy? Guy no claim say. Who is he? Where do you know him?
Honey, I think we've closed that chapter. Some birth you have you. And he's no more following us.
He's no more following us.
No. Like I told you, no.
So after that, no, you guys know there's nothing going on, right?
No, nothing.
You're still lying to me.
Honey, why would I lie to you? If I have to lie to somebody, not you.
See, I'm not a stupid guy. Anytime I will try to just cool my temper because I know myself. Meaning say me bun efua, it's a lion or accommodate na chasing antelope in the forest. And I said there's a so. Abena, where is that guy?
Because why are you talking like this? I don't know him.
You don't know him?
No.
Really? And you don't wish to know him, right?
I don't wish to know him.
You don't wish to know him?
No. Is everything okay?
Video we're talking about there. So, they're not Daina Kana or Bonano is true, right? Or Bonano. No, don't let me raise my voice on you. I've been cool with you. I ask you a simple question, yeah?
No, honey.
Not honey me. It's not what I think, yeah? Let me know. What's this?
I can explain.
Don't you ever tell me say you can explain because you got no explanation.
Honey,
I what?
It's not what you think.
It's not what I think. To the extent of hugging, doing what?
No.
No what? Give me my phone. Give me my
honey,
phone.
let me explain. You know, it's not what you think, my love.
I was a fool just to follow my wife, just to support my wife. Yeah? That's why you were just talking. Babe, don't call the police. Don't do this. Now one year now suntia.
My love is not.
Don't my love me.
I can't explain. At least listen to me for once.
You don't have any explanation to me.
I do. Honey, see, it's misunderstanding. Why are you packing? My love, I can explain. It's just a little misunderstanding.
I mean, I've told you, yeah?
No, honey.
No.
What are you doing?
No, what am I doing? Watch me do it. Hey, don't my love me.
Honey, please.
Don't do that.
Listen to me.
No, I'm listening to you.
It's not what you think, you
It's
know.
not what I think,
I went to meet him to ask him.
So I asked you a simple question and you lied to me. I asked you, have you ever set your eyes on him ever since you're going on? You told me no, yeah? Okay.
I knew you were going to get mad.
I know you knew I was going to get mad. You thought say I wouldn't see it, yeah? I'm stupid. Just to live in a fool's paradise, isn't it? Right?
Oh, my love, please. It's not what you think. I'm not doing anything bad. But where are you going this late? I beg you. My love, please. See, I beg you.
Don't beg me for nothing.
I beg you, please.
Don't beg me for nothing, yeah?
Where are you going? It's late. It's late. Tell me where you're going to. I haven't seen you in this mood. Please.
Don't hold me, please. I've been cool with you and I don't want to be harsh on you, please.
I beg you. It's
don't
not what you think. See, it's not what you think.
When you learn how to tell the truth, I'll be back. Good luck.
My love, no, you can't do this.
Don't follow me, yeah?
Please, honey, where are you going?
Don't handle me! Don't ever talk
Please,
here.
where are you going?
It's late, hey! I've told you, say, emphasize, crocodile tears in the
Boss, I can explain.
Liar.
Boss.
Why are you calling me a liar?
Boss, relax. Are you going?
I should relax. Daina, I do respect you, but don't ever say my name or pay me and some money between you. So what is the matter wrong? Nonsense. Hey.
Yes.
As I told you, when you are ready, just to tell me the truth, call me.
Honey, see.
Abena, you know what I can do.
I know.
You know what I'm up to.
Boss, let your temperature be down. Let your temperature be down.
Lies.
See, honey. Oh. God.
Madam.
Hey.
Madam, I don't want to be Anna. Me won't boss so no will get said that. Madam, relax.
It's okay.
Let me give you a supper so your temperature will be down.
I don't know where it's going to. You know?
Madam, can we be
I know the answer. I don't know where he's going to. And before not the appear the crown, he can even hurt himself. But me the car not help him and baby. You know, we are too mature people. If anything, we can solve it, you know. I don't know.
Madam, have you insulted her?
Oh God, who did this to me?
What did you not tell me?
I mean, dinner, Temba.
Yes,
like, understand, sir.
Madam,
Pacho,
Miss
Who did this to me?
My temperature quite high. I want to shout. Oh, baby, Miss Rowe.
Who said, Enka, appear crying in a nice mood and come okay, you understand? That's what I'm thinking. And I don't know why he's even going. I don't know. Like,
Madam, also salam so nice.
I don't know who did this to me. Madam, also salam. Madam, stop tears. Madam.
Surprised just to see me. Sorry, I didn't know.
How many time, Abo?
I wasn't.
10:43.
Yeah. How do you do?
I don't know about this time around.
Come on. Send me Bano show you no need the father's care, yeah? So I got to just be here.
Oh no.
Why?
Oh no.
No, my
Fight a seat.
Fight Benesi.
Oh, fear her.
No, what do you mean fight a seat? And then this one, I'm surprised you say me person me bahanum. No, what do you mean fight a seat?
I know it's now this, so I won't surprise him. So by me fear after neither.
So it is what it is, yeah.
Then I was to tell me.
Nothing is going on. I just wanted to come to you, just have father's care and always what I say. So what's up? Are you not happy just to see me? You always say, baby, just be here, and then I'm a banum so
I'm always happy to see you, but more I said this time around no about mention.
Yeah.
Time will come.
Well, what'd you get there?
Anyway, so the matter.
What did you get in the fridge, microwave then?
I didn't cook anything.
Oh, the journey. I've told you, sir, we stayed now with me. You shouldn't be say be tea or outside like that. You feel it?
Oh, baby, I made fair journey. They're cool.
Okay, let me go and take my cool shower, eh?
Who do tell me about? Hey.
Are
the mommy come on to me.
I don't know. Hey.
They are becoming a crane actually.
No crab. No crab. You know, my wife. Do you know? Say I have control over her, and you want to make control. Say.
Oh, Matty. Actually, it's me. I got sound. No better.
Okay. It's a blue light. You don't want to hear about. Queen of blue light.
Mena na juke suobia oni mehain. Mena na juke suobia oni mehain.
Swaga swatch.
Mejeneso. Na ko hu nya na etiti ade.
Me ko me na etiti. Ade me ko me na etiti.
Becky Lynch abo ana. Oye ni se Becky Lynch.
Becky
Becky Lynch. Wrestling for no.
Ah.